discuss about median in the inclusive method. We have the data. In the given data, the class intervals, the marks of the students in a class is represented as class intervals. The given class intervals are 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69. In the given class intervals, we have one unit gap. 1 unit gap. To represent this, we should divide the unit by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. 0.5 in inclusive class method. 0.5 for the lower limit. We should subtract the 0.5 in 10 minus 0.5 is equal to 9.5. And then in upper limit we should add 19 plus 0.5 is equal to 19.5. Now from this basis we should write the class intervals like this: 9.5 to 19.5, 19.5 to 29.5, 29.5 to 39.5, 39.5 to 49.5, 49.5 to 59.5, 59.5 to 69.5. Let us write frequency: 16, 24, 33, 12, 5. From the frequency, we have to find cumulative frequency. By adding 8 plus 16 is equal to 24, 48, 81, 93, 98. Then the total of number of students, the total of frequency n is equal to 19. Now we have to find median by finding n by 2 to the is equal to n value is 98 by 2 is equal to 1 the 4 the 5 the 49 to the n by 2 is equal to 49 to the 49 to the is included in 39.5 to 49 median class. 81. It is in the between 48 to 81. Then now the frequency is 33 and the lower limit L is 39.5 and the cumulative frequency we should take the preceding frequency of the cumulative frequency. This is the cumulative frequency. Now we have to substitute these values in the median formula. M is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into I. That is equal to, what is L value? 39.5 is the L value. 39.5 plus n by 2 value. N by 2 value is 49. 49 minus CF cumulative frequency 48 by F3 33 into 10 common factor. I represents common factor. The difference between lower limit and the upper limit is common factor, and we have 10 distance, that is equal to 39.5 plus 1 by 33 into 10, that is equal to, what is the value? 39.5 plus 39.8. This is the median value we find from this formula.